What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is shaping up to be a beautiful day. It's still a little bit chilly right now, but all the weather apps are saying that we are going to jump up to about 50 degrees today. The morning was chilly. It was, you know, low 30s, mid 30s, but aside from this wind, this breeze, it's definitely nice and warm in the sun, and temperatures are creeping up. It's about 2 p.m. right now. I think the high was supposed to hit 50 at around maybe 4 p.m. So I figured I'd take this opportunity to try some burgers. Going out to Greenpoint. I'm meeting up with the cake dealer and a couple of our friends that we know from Instagram, food people, other people who are obsessed with food and burgers. So in New York City lately, there's been a lot of buzz about this place out in a Greenpoint supermarket. The supermarket's called Jubilee, but the little burger place is called 20 Grams Cafe. I have no idea what any of it means, but they make a little smash burger. It's sort of like a smash burger. It also looks a little bit White Castle-y, like a slider. But it's only $2.55 for the cheeseburger, and I think it's like $2.15 or $2.10 for the regular hamburger. So I'm really psyched to try it. You can't beat that value, and we are oftentimes over in Greenpoint with the Zoos gang. So if this place is good, it's going to be a great spot for us to hit. You know, we will definitely be over there pretty often if that's the case. I mean, I don't really, unless it's horrible, I don't see how we won't get over there more often. But it's right near Skyline Drive-In, which if you've been watching this channel, you've seen it a bunch of times. It's right near Greenpoint Beer and Ale. Same with that. We've been there a bunch of times. I've featured it on the channel a bunch of times. Really cool spots. Also not far from Three's Brewing Company. You know, the brewery, which is where my buddy Gothenburger Social Club has sort of like a permanent pop-up there. So it should be good. I'm just ripping over the Williamsburg Bridge right now. Should be there pretty quickly. I'll hug the water. I'll probably eat a bunch of wind over there, but you know, I got this nice little face shield on now, drop down visor on my new helmet. Really digging it. HJC V31 vintage 3/4 style open face deep yellow color helmet. Really digging it so far. I've got a clear visor on the way. Hopefully have that within a week. That way I could ride at night with this thing. Although the smoke on this tinted visor is not super deep, you know. It's not really that tinted. Definitely feeling the wind on the bridge right now. It's moving the bike, and this bike is 85 pounds. Speaking of bikes, Zoos, if you've been watching my channel, if you've been paying attention to Zoos, they just dropped a new ultra urban brand new bike. It is a hub drive, geared hub drive motor. Looks like the size of the 750 motor, but 52 volt setup system for the power, bigger battery, better cells. Actually, if you put it side by side, the battery with the 1100, it's slightly smaller. So, you know, there's that. But it is a 40-mile range battery if you pedal with it. If you're just going to gun it, it's going to be about 30. Come on, what are these people doing? Nice days out brings everyone on the on their bikes, you know. So yeah, Zoo's new bike. I mean, I'm so tempted to get it, but I don't know. I can't fit another bike in my apartment. My wife will kill me, and I don't know if I'm ready to get a storage unit yet. We'll see. I have been considering it, but between the Flex, the original 1100, and the Chimera, you know, my e-bike hobby takes up a lot of space. Just coming down the Williamsburg Bridge into Williamsburg, Brooklyn. About 33 miles an hour right now, just hit that. You know, I'm thinking about maybe I'll get like a snap shield visor for this. I'd have to throw on anti-fog lens on it, but I could help too with this, with the wind. I think once it's nice out in the summer, it won't be that big of a deal. But the cold wind, when it does hit your eyes, tear up and you water. Which way am I going here? This way. Yeah, I'm gonna stay along the water. Take this left here. A lot of traffic. A lot of Williamsburg traffic today. Passing by Domino Sugar Factory, Domino Park. Getting into Greenpoint now. After this little bend here. And I'm going to take the next left. That's going to bring me over by Skyline Drive-In. And just past that, this place should be on the left-hand side. Basically, above a grocery store. I think the grocery store is at the foot or at the basement bottom level of like a nice high-rise building, maybe like an apartment building or something. And as you go in, the first thing you see is this burger joint, and then go downstairs if you want to go food shopping. Jubilee Marketplace, 20 Grams Cafe. No idea what the 20 grams is about. I don't think it's the weight of the burger. From everything I've seen, it looks similar to the George Moats burger, onion smash Oklahoma style. Small patty, single patty. That's how they keep the cost so low. Let's see, where are we? Greenpoint Ave? Yeah, this place is it's not far from here. Coming up on the left, just after this little construction site. A lot of construction over here. This place is booming. Greenpoint real estate values went through the roof. Crazy. Wish I knew to buy. Here we go. Jubilee Marketplace. Let me lock this up. And ooh, it smells good. And I will see you on the inside. Smells so good. Oh wow, there's a line. Those are the tots?
Oh no, they're all steamed. Did you get 2 tots? Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah, we probably didn't need 2 tots.
Why did they close it like this?
Yeah, look at that little guy. Little.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it does look good.
Your face looks
Whoa.
good.
Whoa,
The
gooey.
way you're looking at it, you're like, here. Oh, I'm just so hungry. No, I'm pretty sure you can't get breakfast. They should really remove that.
How is it?
Want to ask a question? What? Oh, they both got the onion pulled.
I like it.
Oh, I've not
It's
heard
good.
any bad reviews about it. So.
It's pretty good.
The bread is still in good condition.
Yeah.
It is juicy.
It's juicy.
It's a little, it's like a Thousand Island
Yeah, like
sauce
the
on
Big
it.
Mac sauce.
The pickles are good. There's no, I don't think they toasted the bun, but I don't care about that.
Wait, what do you what do you not care about after you finish your bite?
The bun's not toasted.
Oh, I do care about that.
That's how we got ours. So it was like burger, or it was
Okay.
It's only 6 minutes away and you're
These are good. Yeah, the pickle's good. Wow. I mean, for the money, you cannot beat that burger. $2.55. I mean, and the tots were $3, and there was a lot of tots in that order, and they were crunchy. One of my friends was like, "Oh, they're all steamed up." They were in the box, but they were in the box for such a short amount of time. They didn't lose any of their crispy crunch. So, if you're gonna eat there, they're fine. But I could see if you take them to travel, they might get a little sogged up. But they were great, man. What a spot! We're definitely gonna go here with the Zeus gang because you know, who doesn't love a bargain? And we're in this area so often that it'd be silly if we didn't hit this place up as part of our regular routine stops whenever we ride in this area or meet up for like a Wednesday. So yeah, I highly recommend this spot. Check it out if you can. I know it's far. It's like, I would even go as far as to say that it's remote. There's not a lot of subway stops in the area. There's really just the G train, and that's not very convenient. I don't know what the bus situation is like, but it's worth it because you're not paying anything for the burgers. Basically, they're so cheap. So jump out to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com. I got the full review, the full write-up, everything there. And you know, make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.